To remove the rear hitch cover, there are 2 tabs, one on each side of the cover. They will need to be turned a half a turn so that they're facing this direction. You should be able to pull down on the cover, turn to pull straight down on the cover to remove, and you can set it aside somewhere in a safe location. To reinstall it, you'll do the same thing. These will snap into their holes in there and need a half a turn. There's tabs on the top of the that go into this of the cover that go into some slots up here at the top, just under the chrome molding. You'll push straight up into those and swing the cover under. These tabs, you'll feel them pop up into place and need a half a turn to lock them. And that's how you reinstall the cover.